Welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve an assignment. The name of the assignment is Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 6 Advanced Project 6 to 7. Basically it is the 6th chapter of 2021. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students many times and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So basically the name of the assignment is Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 6 Advanced Project. So basically this assignment consists of 9 steps. I can do this assignment step by step and you can do this assignment by watching my video. So our first step is open the Living Good workbook and click the Enable Editing button. The file will rename automatically to include your name. So in this step we enable editing button to edit our Excel worksheet. So we go on our Excel worksheet. So I have already click the enable button so I can edit my Excel worksheet. So our step number 2 is nest an if error function with the formula. So we highlight second one, select cell E6 on the account sheet and review the formula. The formula subtract the invoice date from today date in cell G1. So in this step we add if error function in the cell E6. So we go on our Excel worksheet and select E6, this one and this one, and we add if error function here. And what he is asking, if next and if ever formula to display check date instead of standard error message. So in this we highlighted. So in this it is saying that we go on our Excel worksheet and you can see that here is no value and here is no value. So we put it if error function to add this one, that means check date instead of value. So we put it on here and we close the bracket. So and copy the if error formula to cell E7 to E20. So in this we copy the formula E7 to E20. So now you can see that where is no value, here is we add if error function and on the value we change value with check date. So our step number 2 is completed. Our step number 3 is monitor edit in the watch window. So in this step we monitor edit in the watch window. So our add C6 to C20 as a watch in the watch window. So in this step we add C6 to C20 as a watch in the watch window. So we go on our Excel worksheet and we select the C6 to C20 and in the formula tab here is the watch window and here is the add watch, add window watch. And now click the engine detail sheet tab here, and build and find and replace command to replace all occurrence of account staff with account staff throughout the worksheet. Use search and replace string that maintain the comma and the word inc. So in this step we change account staff with account staff. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in the home tab here is the find and replace, and in the find what, so find what is account staff, is this one, and we change it with account staff. Here we can change it to this one, replace all. So it is saying that all finish we made for replacement. So close the find and replace and delete the watch name and close the watch window. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and here we select all the watch window values to delete it. So select all, and here is the delete watch. So we delete and close the watch window. So our step number 3 is completed. So our step number 4 is use sum ifs to calculate the total that are late by 30 days or more. So in this step we add sums if function to calculate total that are late by 30 days or more. So I have done 3 steps of this assignment, and this assignment consists of basically 6 steps. So I have done half of the assignment, and if you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email. My WhatsApp number or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video.